All right, so here we're supposed to suppose the lengths of the sides of a triangle are A, B, and C as illustrated here. If the semi-perimeter, which is half of the perimeter of the rectangle, is 1/2 A plus B plus C, then the area of the triangle is A equals the square root of the semi-perimeter times semi-perimeter minus A, and semi-perimeter minus B, semi-perimeter minus C, and then we're finding the whole area of that triangle. Now, we're given the sides. This one is 9. B is 40 and C is 41. So first things first, we need to find S. Well, that's going to be 1/2 of 9 plus 41 plus 40. I'm just going around the circle like that. So that's going to be 40, that's 50, 90. Half of 90 is going to be 45. So that's my S. Now I have A is going to be equal to the square root of, now I'm going to have 45 times 45 minus 9 times 45 minus 40 times 45 minus 41. Okay. So what we have then is square root of, let's see if we can simplify this. That's 45 times, and then we have the 45 minus our 9, which is going to be what, 36? And then we have 45 minus 40, which is 5. 45 minus 1 is going to be 4. So now we just have to do that. And so if we go over to our calculator, it's just going to be, let's see if we get to the calculator. So that was the square root of 45 times 36 times, then it was 5, I believe, and then it was times 4. And we get 180. So that means the area is going to be 180. Now, does it say what units? It doesn't say, so it's going to be units squared. Okay. Because the area is going to be in squares, and we don't know what the unit is. It's just going to be square units. All right. Here we have the total hang time t in seconds is given by t of h equals square root of h over 2, where h is the maximum height in feet. If a robot jumps 9 feet off the ground, determine how many seconds the robot is in the air. All right, so what does that mean? Well, it means h is equal to 9, so t of 9 is equal to what? Well, the square root of 9 over 2. Square root of 9 is 3 over 2, so 1.5, and that's going to be seconds. Okay. And again, we didn't need a calculator for this. It was all pretty much simple stuff. So that's how we would get that one. All right, let's pause there and we'll come back for some more.